Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord and making sure you're on the right account. This avoids accidentally leaving the wrong community. Once done, scan the left sidebar to find the server icon you want to quit. If you expect follow-up messages, consider muting or sending a brief goodbye first. That preserves relationships. Make sure you understand whether you'll leave permanently or just disable notifications, because the next steps actually remove your membership from that server. You now perform the leave operation. Right-click the server icon and choose Leave Server from the menu. When the confirmation dialog appears, read what it says and confirm to proceed. This step removes your membership immediately. If you need to retain information, copy important links or contact people before confirming. Once you leave, your roles and access are gone, so make sure you've completed any necessary handoffs or saved files. Then finalize. After confirming, check the server list to ensure the server icon is gone. That indicates a successful exit. If the server still shows up, log out and back in or clear Discord's cache, then recheck. Sometimes the client needs a refresh. If the leave action fails or you see permission errors, make sure you're not the last server owner. Transfer ownership first. If problems persist, contact Discord support or server admins for help and keep screenshots for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.